Gotta focus here. All right, let me know if I'm live or if I do become live. All right, I think I'm good now. Well, shit. That was weird. I don't know what happened, but whatever. All right, whatever. We're back up, maybe. I think we're back up. Let me know when you guys can see me again. I will push it out again. Everyone push. I don't know what happened, dude. I don't know, man, but whatever. All right, we're back up though. Okay, so where are we at? Do. All right, Gala still looks good. Bitcoin is popping off a little bit. Bitcoin dominance is dropping down. Yes, perfect. This is what I want to see. Okay, this is really good for us. Those in longs at least. Uniswap looks good. I'm not in a rush to close this. Gala is accelerating. Yes. Yes. Awesome. Okay, band is consolidating. I'm okay with that. I do want to see it drop down a little bit further and get that, but the consolidation structure looks really clean right now. AVAX is also popping the upside. Very clean. All right. Very clean. And Bitcoin dominance is dropping. I think overall, everything's coming together really well. So if I'm able to get my last entry on band, then I can do my take profit. I can do my take profit and also my my stop loss in the same order. Appreciate it, buddy. Thanks, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming back. I don't know what happened. Honestly, I don't. It was really weird, but whatever. You guys know how incredibly bullish on Gala I am, and nothing has changed. Like nothing. Absolutely nothing has changed. This structure looks really good. It looks really clean. We're close to entry. Like if you guys want to get on a Gala, like this is the chance. I think. I really do think that. Now, make it very clear, guys. I am not a financial advisor. I cannot give you financial advice. I'm not licensed or any of that stuff. Do not take any of this information as advice. All I'm doing is telling you what I'm doing. I'm showing you guys the trades that I'm making, and meanwhile, I'm up a lot of money right now today. So, and just to make sure you guys know I'm not full of shit, just so you guys know I'm not full of shit, these are my positions right now. Um, 11.93, 11.4. Cool. These are my positions right now. I did it on my phone. I can't show you guys my screen because, you know, security and stuff. But these are my positions right now. Where's RTBro? There you go. See? I'm taking these positions. Like I'm not like I know a lot of people may like be what's the right one I'm looking for? Like basically faking it, right? No, like these are legitimate positions I'm taking. They're large sizes, so yep. Um It could. I mean, and like, Cape of Capo has been really, really solid. Or Cape of Crypto, Capo of Crypto, what the fuck his name is, I don't know. But either way, like his analysis has been really solid lately. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Okay, still pushing against that. But like we can get an exit pump on all these positions, and that's what basically what I'm looking for. I'm not expecting this to accelerate a new bull run. That's not what I'm looking for. What I am looking for is some sort of a massive movement on a lot of these altcoins the next day or two that can really just blow people's minds on how much money can be made. All right, this looks like a bullish retest. Okay. It better be a bullish retest. If not, we're going to have some issues, right? Bullish retest. That's what we want. If it falls down through there, I'm going to get my stop loss hit, and that's okay. I'm going to move on from AVAX and say, well, I guess the AVAX trade did not work out the way I was hoping, and I'm going to move on. Uniswap is also showing some weakness. Gala looks pretty solid still. Band looks fine. Okay. Make sure my stops are in place. They are. So yeah, this should be a bullish retest. Okay. If this falls through and my stop gets activated, that's it. Okay. I moved this up as we increased, but if this has got to hold, it has got to hold. I cannot stress that enough, guys. All right, let's go ahead back to the YouTube comments so I can see what you guys are saying. All right. All right. Bitcoin's struggling. I wonder if, okay, this must be why. Bitcoin dominance is still dropping though, which is, so like you don't have to have Bitcoin look super strong and have altcoins run. Okay? All you have to do is have Bitcoin not collapse. Because right now, this looks like a rising wedge that is broken down, which should now have a continuation down, right? This looks like a continuation pattern. So, you know, you have a rising wedge, deviation, break down, up, back down. This is what it looks like right now, which is rising wedge breakdown, and that's very healthy for altcoins. However, if we start losing these levels, we have to consider this may not be just a small dip on Bitcoin. This could be a start of a much larger drop. Okay, we still have our validation still set. 755, 55. Is that my one? Yeah, I can move this up. Going to move this up to here. 7644. Let's do that. I'm gonna do that. This is my new stop. 0.07644. Okay, well, you know what? At this point, if I do get stopped out on Gala, this is actually going to be stopped out in profit. So, pretty happy about that. Uniswap and AVAX will not be stopped out in profit as of right now. But, obviously, Gala is doing really well. Okay. Where band is at 232. Just this consolidation looks healthy, guys. I really just want to get my bids filled, but I don't want to get greedy. Like, I don't need this to drop, and obviously just keep taking off. Like, am I really mad about it? No, I wouldn't be, right? And this was the golden pocket, depending upon where you're gonna. If you take it from here, okay, this is the start of the impulse, hypothetically. It tapped the golden pocket. So it doesn't have to come back down here. Okay. That being said, once we reclaim, I don't want it to go much like stopped out, small loss. Neo, I got stopped out for a small loss. Yep. That's what happened on that. Oh, I mean, I'm sorry guys. I gave you guys the real answer. If I'm going to be a YouTuber, I got to say stopped out in profit like all my trades, right? Closed in profit. No, I stopped out at loss. All right, AVAX is holding so far. Like if this gets stopped out right here, it will be a stopped out at a loss, and I'm okay with that. That's fine with me. I don't care. What I do care about is avoiding catastrophic risks. Capital preservation is key, boys. Uniswap still looks fine. Like it still looks fine. I don't have any issue with Uniswap just yet. Band, it looks really healthy right now. It looks like it's popping off again. Gala looks to be accelerating as well. Gala's doing really good, guys. Gala and Band are showing a lot of strength right now. Yeah, we never actually touched that breaker either, but you guys can see this is definitely rounding upwards. And it looks like we're going in for our target. Do not. I cannot give you financial advice, but here's the issue, okay? If you were to enter now, what's your stop loss? Where's your invalidation? What's your target? Right here, right? Where's your invalidation? 1.29R. Is that worth it? No, it's not. Okay, like it does not make sense to enter here. This is not the place to enter. There's no way to invalidate this whatsoever. You could try to maybe say this, but like right beneath here is the golden pocket. Is that an invalidation? No, it's not, right? So no, if you do not get this entry, I would not be looking to enter right now. Just, you missed this trade, that's fine. You move on, okay? It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. Do not chase this. Okay? Do not chase this. You will get burned so hard. So hard, y'all. Okay. How's AVAX doing? This isn't right. What the fuck? Oh, it's band looks to be holding its own. Okay, AVAX is popping. Like this is the level it needs to bounce from. Okay, that is not a good sign. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Probably going to get stopped out here. Maybe. I don't know, guys. I don't know. We might get stopped out. Either way, we have our invalidation set. If we get stopped, I don't care. Okay. Uniswap looks okay still. Let's go back to band. That's the big one right now. Okay. All right. So as of right now, right, we talked about the Elliott wave structure and how we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Possibly a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC. But my bias originally was a B, C, right? So I'm going to assume this is still our bias. I'm not going to move this this bid yet. So this is still a healthy to come back down here and touch that. And that's what my bias is as of right now. Okay, Uniswap still holding up okay. Gala is dropping a little bit. Okay, there you go. See? This bounce? Perfect. That's what you want to see. This looks good. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Yep, looks good. Pretty happy with this so far. Okay. With that retest down there, AVAX has done its retest, started to bounce up. That's really clean, really sexy. Right there, Uniswap, we want that. And Band. Band's the big one, right? Is this an ABC like that, or is the ABC already finished with an ABC? I don't know yet. I think we're going to come down here. That's my bias right now. I think we are going to get one more leg down to this region. Okay, cool. Yep. How are y'all doing? Y'all doing pretty good so far? Look at my KuCoin account right now, seeing what's going on. Okay, we're holding up, but it does not look that strong. Let's look at Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin had a nasty rejection right there, and that's our major issue right now. So if you go to Bitcoin, we can see some sort of a trend line forming. Some sort. It's not that clean, but we can see some sort of a trend line in this region, right? So, as long as we're not collapsing through this, then we're okay. We have a trend line here, don't we? Could have swore we did. That's the major trend line. So you guys can see. Broke up, came back down, retested at, and now we're pushing up. And it looks like basically that right there, right? AVAX is right. Like, this is the spot that should hold. So if you want, you can't get much closer to invalidation. So if you want to enter now and just have your stop loss like really close, I don't see an issue with that, right? But I think stops are probably going to be activated soon, though. Gala's also dropping down a little more. Band looks to be going down for the C leg, which is, you know, is what it is. That's fine. Oh. Okay. Are you going to recover it? Where's Band at? Okay, there it is. Oh, man. You guys have any questions or anything like that? Is everything making sense? There definitely looks to be some weakness in the market right now. Bitcoin dominance is still dropping, which is a pretty important part of my play right here. So Bitcoin dominance looks to be bearishly retesting this. So we don't have to have Bitcoin look that strong. All it has to do is just not collapse. That's all we need from Bitcoin right now. Just hold up. Just don't collapse. That's all we're asking. Gala. It still looks clean. It still looks good. Like there's the retest. Keep it going up, right? This looks good. All right. How's AVAX doing? We're dropping below it, guys. Like this does not look as clean as it did. I think AVAX is looking fairly weak right now. A little bit surprising how weak it looks. Probably about to get stopped out real soon. Yeah, about to get stopped out. I'll let you know when it happens. Not yet. Still waiting on it. And not yet. Is it going to get stopped? We're right there. Did I avoid it? Binance. No, there it goes. Okay. I was like, Binance is actually apparently a little bit higher than KuCoin. All right, I've got stopped out on AVAX. Close position. Yeah, very, very small loss. Cool. All right, very small loss on AVAX, so stopped out. Stopped out on AVAX. Small loss. Okay. Okay, so AVAX is done to me. I don't really like that. That was a show weakness to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and call that one done to me. I really don't want to trade this one again. Bitcoin is dropping. How aggressive though? Let's see. This still looks fine, right? You see how this is still a bullish retest. I don't have an issue with that. Gala, bullish retest. Don't have an issue with that. Now, if we start dropping much further, I'm going to have problems. Okay? But right now, at the current level, I'm cool with this. Ah, that sucks. What about AXS? How's AXS doing? I know that was another one we're looking for. AXS, Bitcoin. Strange trend line I drew a long time ago, apparently. What is this? Okay, there's this. Let's zoom into a lower time frame, get a more accurate information here. We can trade this breakout. All right, there we go. So we got some time on AXS. So this is not really an immediate thing. What about this one? The fact we didn't get a reaction there is a little concerning. So this is definitely not legitimate. All right. All right, let's go back to Gala, see how we're doing there. Ooh, we're dropping pretty aggressively. Are we holding? Slightly, maybe? I think we're slightly holding, but not great. Uniswap. It's a tap. Okay, this needs to hold. So Gala and Uniswap need to hold. I'm gonna go ahead and place an alert right here. Uni breaking down. It may be time to go and find some shorts, honestly. Might. Can I drop this lower? I don't think I should. I might just close it. I might just close it, guys. How's Bitcoin doing? This looks like a rising wedge that we're breaking down from right now. You guys see that rising wedge breaking down from? Oh man, Uniswap right there. Gala. BTC is dropping. Wait, no, it's holding up. Okay, it's holding up fairly well. I don't like how it's lost that though. Yeah, it's pretty freaking significant. I'm gonna let it play out a little bit longer. Why no dark mode? I just haven't. I've never used it, honestly. It's just never been my thing. I don't know even how to turn it on. What is it up here? Appearance. Ooh, I could do a watermark on my stuff. That'd be good. I don't know how to turn dark mode on. Whatever. Just find the way it is. Alright, Gallows like shit. Uniswap is holding. Probably gonna. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should I keep Gala open or no? I'm really conflicted right now. I'm very conflicted. I think I'm gonna let it play out with this 50-minute breaker right there. It may be able to bounce off that. And where's Bitcoin at relatively? It looks to be holding up. Bitcoin dominance is dropping, or it's holding some strength right now, but overall, it looks like the trend is down. Oh, man. I'm going to hold on to it for now. I have stops in place. My risk is managed. I'm not going to worry about it. The Uniswap stop loss is a lot lower than what I would like it to be right now. I'm going to move it up a little bit. 516. Let's move it up to here. 518. Just managing my risk a little bit better, guys. A little bit tighter. We really should not drop that low if we are bullish here. You know what I mean? And if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Like, as long as we're preserving our capital, that's the important thing. Possibly. Just like what happened at AVAX. Yep, AVAX came down, did a fake out. So now it, yeah. Well, yeah, AVAX I'm already stopped out on. I don't care about that anymore. Is this still holding up? This is tempting. Ooh, Waves is showing some strength here. I like this. I don't have a clear level to play off of, but I would be okay to try this. I'm going to do this. If I can get a shot at this Waves retracement, I'm going to do it. 797 to 792. I'm going to go ahead and enter Waves. This coin is stupid. So it's just a stupid ass coin. I hate the coin, but wait, 792 to 7. Wait, what? Tetherus? This is tether pairing. What? 787. Okay, yeah, I'm entering into some waves right down here in this region. So I don't know why, but for some reason, KuCoin is trading a lot lower. We're already in the golden pocket for it. I don't know why. Where's my risk reward? Yeah, 1187. Yep. There it is. We'll see what happens. I don't hate it. So 792 is around my entry. I don't know why, but KuCoin is trading quite a bit lower. I have a little bit of fills on waves already. Not a lot, but some. Yeah, I have a decent position on it. RSI at the top. What are you talking about? All right, give me a sec. I'll check it out, dude. I'm sorry. I'm trying to focus on this as well. Let's go ahead and do a 786 retracement would be my, or a little bit below that. So 780 is my stop loss here. 780. Okay. Uniswap looks to be bouncing. Gala looks to be just hanging on. Not showing strength, but it's not collapsing. AVAX is actually recovering. It bounced off my stop loss. I got a little more waves? I did. All right. I have you on more waves now. Cool. All right. Where is waves? I love impulses. Anytime I see an impulse high volume, I'm very interested in them. So yeah. Yeah, this whole region makes a ton of sense to me. So 3-day, right there, 1198. Well, here, 1198. Let me adjust this. 1198. All right, 33R trade. Guys, like it doesn't get much higher R than that. You know what I mean? Like it's really what you can like. That's about as high as you can possibly expect for a trade. That's why I take these trades, guys. Like if I see something that looks clean like that, I'm gonna take it. Okay, what am I looking at? RSI at the top. What am I looking for? Indicators, RSI. Why the fuck's that doing that? No, it looks fine. Like this looks healthy for continuation. And this is the other thing I'm looking for on band is that we did not, I say again, we did not have a bearish divergence at this top. So we do not have bearish divergences in place, which is why I'm really not looking for, I am looking for another impulse up. I think it makes a lot of sense. So, and the volume profile, this looks like a corrective structure. This looks corrective. So look at the ABC. ABC. So let's look at this again. Okay. On the Elliott wave theory, which I don't know if you believe it or not, I don't care. I dabble in it, and that's all I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, extended fifth. A, B, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, right down here. This is a golden pocket retracement, also into this breaker, and it should reverse and go to the upside. That's my expectations. Okay, we should be able to get to the 295 target. Of course, if Bitcoin doesn't just completely and utterly fuck the day over. Gala is holding up relatively well. Uniswap is holding up relatively well. I feel pretty confident in both of those positions. Waves, I'm fairly confident in too, honestly. And I don't understand why in the hell Binance has such a different chart than KuCoin. Waves, KuCoin. Look, Waves, 804. Waves, 796. So I already have my golden pocket retracement on here. I've already been filled. Wait, now I'm even more concerned. What the fuck? 770, 824.80. So Binance got up to 720. Okay. So wait. What? The futures chart is lower than this. So futures is lower on both of these. And that's what I'm trading. What is going on? Why is futures so much lower than both of those charts? Ooh, collapsing. Shit. Okay, we're accelerating there. Looks like we're about to get stopped out there. Still holding up fairly decently here. Either way, risk defined. I'm cool with that. Oh. Okay. Are we just going to explode upwards? Be pretty cool if we did. Band is still just consolidating. I want this. And that's really it. 7.9 for, yeah, that's what I'm getting. I'm getting the same thing, buddy. Like, that's what I bought at. I bought at, let's see, my fills are 789, 790, and 791, 92. 790, 790, yeah. Yeah, 794 now. Like, I don't know why it's so much different though. That's just weird. So I already got most of my bids filled on there. It's just I don't understand why. I'm not really mad about it. It's just strange. It's just different, guys. I don't know. Waves is pushing up now. Shit. Did I ever publish this? I don't think I ever published it. Um, 3-day. Entered waves. Entered waves on stream. Uniswap's holding up really well. Gala has not been stopped out yet, so that's cool, I guess. I need to get back above here, obviously. How's AVAX doing? All right. If we recover that, I'm not getting back into it. If I got stopped out, I'm done on that one. I will find the next trade. Waves is up by quite a bit now. Wow, we are up quite a bit. Holy shit. Damn. Already up 6% on the entry so far. Do I want to move the stops up? No, I don't want to yet. I'm not going to move the stops until we get up here. If we recover this entire structure, then I'm going to go ahead and obviously my entry is a different condition. So Waves is really on a roll. Interesting. It looks like Band is also doing really well. How's the DXY doing? I haven't checked that today. DXY strong. That's concerning, y'all. This is really that's concerning. I don't like seeing DXY this strong. We're about the 200 as well. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. That is a very bearish sign. I want to enter a short. I want to enter a short position on Bitcoin, simply due to that. Oh, theta. Above the 200 moving average. BTC pairing, 200. Do I have a good play here? I think I do. Let me see. Long position now. Stop would be below here. Target. $5R, you know what? $5R. I'm pretty cool with that. I'm going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to enter into theta. I do like this. Yep, theta. I don't want to play this. Go ahead and wait. No, that needs to stay there. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna enter this mount. Okay, theta is entered. It's pretty damn conservative, I think. And yeah, 167.7. Stop loss is 141.7. It's a fairly small position because my stop loss is pretty damn loose. So I'm going to go ahead and do 167.7. Stop loss is at 141.7. Confirm. Okay, cool. Band, how are we doing today? Band looks to be pushing up. Okay, so, all right, bear with me here. So let's say this is an ABC, hypothetically, right? That means you'd have an A or three-wave move, three-wave move, three-wave move, right? That means that you would have one more down here because you have the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So three-wave movement would be what I'd be expecting. So one more leg lower to finish off this ABC. So I'm not pulling off my bids on a band yet. Let's go to waves. Oops. Okay, my risk is defined. My trade is active. My stop loss is in place. I'm going to go ahead and also set my target. For some reason, my target was not set. Let's go ahead and fix that. 1198. Okay, cool. Low risk, high reward. Pretty happy with this. Clean, clean, clean play. Very, very happy with this. So, reason why I'm entering this one is because you have the high volume on the impulse. Entering theta down here. I entered theta at 145.8. I'm up on my theta position. I need more volume. That's the main thing I'm really missing right now on theta. But like it's a clean play, and this would make this seems like a good risk reward. It makes sense. 5 hours plenty. I'm pretty content with that. So I think right now we're in pretty good positions. All right, let's see how Bitcoin's doing. Are we holding up Bitcoin, or are you still fucking around? Looks like a bearish retest. Ooh. Does not look good. How's Gala? I'm closing Gala. I'm closing Gala, guys. I don't like this at all. I do not like the interaction. Let's look at Uniswap. Where's Uni? It's better. Okay, I'm closing Gala. Closing Gala at a 6%. Trade conditions are no longer valid. Okay. Fuck it. I'm just going to do it, and I'll update later. All right, let's go to Gala, see how much liquidity is on the exchange. Wait, am I live still? My internet's looking a little shitty. That looks fine. The fuck? My connection was interrupted. Am I still live? Let me know if I'm still here, guys. What the fuck is going on? I don't know. So my laptop just went down. My laptop Wi-Fi went down, but my computer is still fine. Okay. I know why. It's just hooking up to my Wi-Fi in my truck. That's why. Son of a bitch. Ah! Magala. Okay, so yeah, I'm being a little safe here because I don't like the way the Bitcoin looks. Wait, maybe. Yeah, I still don't like it. I'm gonna go ahead and close it out for now. I don't like this. Okay, I close out part of it. I'm gonna hold on just a second for the rest of it. Because we are starting to push up a little bit now. If we could push up above here, I'll be really bullish across the market. Uniswap still looks fine. Okay. Yeah, Uniswap's pushing up. It doesn't look bad, honestly. I don't really. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and leave the rest of it open. I think that's the play. Bands is still screwing around, but this looks really. This looks healthy, guys. This looks really healthy for a retracement. So I do think I do want to get this one little bounce, and I'm pretty confident this will be able to accelerate us back up. Waves had a bit of a collapse. Still looks fine though. I mean, it depends how you want to look at it. We're still not even at our freaking entry. The Waves price is different. Well, no, Waves actually, no, it is down. So Waves is down on here. It's a different price. How's Theta looking? Still at entry. I'm going to add a little more on Theta. I don't really have an issue adding more with Theta because Theta's been pretty. It's sort of ignored what happened with Bitcoin, what's been going on. So I'm okay with adding extra here. Are we getting above it? We got a rejection. We're back above it. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and keep the rest of Gala open. 7644, 0.7644. What was I doing? Yeah, 0.07644. And if Gala does start taking off, like, it should accelerate like what we saw with Band. Like, I think it's a very similar situation. That's why I'm not I don't want to sell it too quick, but I do want to lessen my exposure a little bit when you have a sign of weakness like what we had. But now we got back above it, so, you know, show a strength. Um, this looks healthy. This doesn't look as healthy. Does it? I think it's fine. I think it's fine. It's a good, healthy, rounded bottom structure. I do like that part of it. The Gallow's popping off now. Of course it is. Why would it pop off when I closed off a third of my position on it? Yeah, I closed off a third of my position. Son of a bitch. That sucks. Whatever. It is what it is. Where was it at? Which one was it? There you go. Yeah, we're back into it. Guys, this reclaim, in my opinion, is pretty big. I think this is a pretty big reclaim. I think we're going to be able to shoot up pretty aggressively here. That's funny. It sucks. All right, waves. This looks clean. Let's go like a band. I haven't looked at that in a while. Looks clean still, guys. Can I check Dash? XLM. Yes, I can. One sec. Dash. I guess I don't have it on there. I'll figure out in a second. XLM, BTC pairing. Let's look at that first. No. We're beneath everything. I don't like that. I do like how we're holding the 4 hour, but these are two major resistance levels now that I'm terrified of. So if you get above these levels, I'd be more interested. But you also have the daily 200 right above it as well. So XLM does not look healthy. On the USD pairing, similar, but we have reclaimed the 4 hours, so that's a good sign on it. But overall, I think there are better opportunities in the market. On the high time frame, we are inside of this weekly breaker. So like there's a good possibility that we will push up, but I think in the immediate term we have other coins that look ready now. So I'm not really looking to avoid other ones for this. That's crazy. Vet's still taking off. So Vet announced a partnership today with the UFC. So we had a nice little spike up. So I really wasn't taking this too seriously because it looked like it was a news-based event. However, it looks like we've reclaimed it and we're keep going up. So not really interested right now in that. Oh shit. What the hell happened here with Matic? Maybe 4 hours on the way. Okay, I'm not interested. 4 hours right there. I don't like that. 4 hours too close. The 200 moving average is too close. Okay. And then Dash, you said. What Doge? Give me a sec. Okay, we're not there yet. There is a key level I'm looking at for Doge. If I hit that level, I'm going to do stupid things with it. Trend line, very similar to other coins. It's not as significant as other coins, but there's definitely some sort of a trend line here that we are pressed up against. You guys can see that. So very similar to other coins like that. Oh, Dash is, or not Dash, Band is back in our buy zone. We're very close. Okay, looks like we're dropping down again. Okay, so remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Looks like we're finished up the C leg right now. So it comes back down into here. This is my primary zone. Like this is where I want to I really want to get some entry in this area to really compound this whole thing. Yeah, this looks really clean. Waves still dropping. Okay, what else is going on in the market? What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin's holding up okay. Bitcoin's holding up. Gala is pushing up. I'm not mad. I have enough position. I'm fine. I'm just really pissed because that's bullshit. Okay, Waves is aggressively dropping now. We are almost in the golden pocket. Okay, I bought my last bit of Waves just now. We are essentially in the golden pocket right now. Yeah, we're in the golden pocket. Like this is it. This should be the bounce area. You guys see that? If it doesn't bounce here, then obviously there are some problems. But this is the area it should bounce from. Band is also about to hit our zone as well. Okay. 7.8. Yeah, that's accurate. Okay, I'm good with that. 7.8 is our stop loss. It should bounce from this region. This is the golden pocket region. This is what you want to see. What's my key level on Doge? It's a BTC pairing, and I really don't have time to show it right now. I have too much stuff going on, but I'll go over into later. Okay, remember, 217.2. Where are we at? This is it right here, guys. This is it. Waiting for a long time for this opportunity. 217.2. Did it already get filled? Fills. Banned. Yes, it got filled. Okay. I'm in. 217.2 was hit on KuCoin futures. I'm filled. Okay, so at that point, I need to make sure my stops and my stops and my target are set. Okay, position. Stop loss. Okay, stop loss is going to be at 196.9. 196.9. Okay. Wow. And I'm going to move this up. As soon as, if we start pushing up, I'm moving that motherfucker up. Okay, take profit. It's crazy. Okay, 2.95. 2.951. Holy shit. That'll be a huge, huge payday for me, guys. Okay. Well, we're in. If this pops up here, it's going to be a really, really good day for me. We'll see what happens though. Okay. If it drops down here, I'll basically break even. Which, you know what? Cool with that. All right. Let's go back, do our little rounds on everything. Bitcoin's struggling. Waves is struggling, but I think it still looks all right. Uniswap is holding its own. Gala is struggling now. I don't know if I feel comfortable right now being in these positions. I don't know how I feel about this right now, guys. I don't like Bitcoin struggling so much. It's really concerning to me. Well, stops are placed. Yeah, stops are placed. I really want waves to pop up so I can have another stop loss in place or a little higher. And the same thing with band. I want to make sure I preserve my capital here. This is what I'm looking for right there, guys. Let's go to the BTC pairing as well. Okay, you guys can see we came down there, tapped it. This should be what was needed before a continuation back up. You guys see that? This is a falling wedge of some sort. So falling wedge into a support level should bounce the upside. Same thing here. All right, 1 second, let my dogs out. Be right back, guys. All right, how are we doing, guys? All right, so looks like band has bounced off of our buy zone ever so slightly, though. Okay. Thoughts of an AVAX breakout? Did it break out? No, it did not. It's back in the range. My stop loss already got hit on that. So I don't really have thoughts on it. If it gets back above it, we'll go from there. But right now, this is a deviation. This should have held. It did not. So this is now no longer valid. So, Uniswap is holding its own. Gala is holding its. Oh, I don't like this interaction. I'm doing 5x leverage. But like your amount of leverage isn't that important. It's your overall position size is what's really important. So you just use leverage to increase your position size. That's all it is. So I don't trade with more than 5x. I used to back in the day, but it just got stupid. All right, so this is my level, guys. This needs to hold. If this starts falling through, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. All right, so essentially, I can do one more dip down, but that's it. Okay, one more dip down, but that's it. And it has to be a pretty small dip. Because anything past that, my trade thought process, my idea is invalidated. And that means that it's no longer trading, it's gambling, and I don't gamble, I trade. Okay, waves. Looks like we're pumping up a little bit. Do I want to move my stop loss up yet? Possibly. I don't think so. Not yet. I want to give it a little more time. Give more time for this to develop. All right, how's Bitcoin doing? It's holding its own. It's relatively decent. Bitcoin dominance is still below the major trend line. That's good. You want to see this. DXY, are we showing any signs of weakness here? Slight, not much, guys. Slight. This is terrifying. This is like terrifying right here. Like this whole moment right here is so just like stressful. But looks like we got a pretty damn good precision entry. It was $2.17.2, right? It doesn't look like it here, but on the futures chart on KuCoin, I actually got wicked into. So I actually got my bids 100% filled on that dip down. So I was able to compound my entry perfect. Well, okay. I mean, I'm going to tell you right now, I mean, that's very dangerous. You should be paper trading. Do you paper trade at all? Like, if you're just going into trades without knowing whether or not it's got idea or not with leverage, that's incredibly, incredibly dangerous. Like, do you have proper risk management done? Are you doing your proper tables here? Do you even know what risk reward you're doing? Do you have a proper stop loss in place? Are your stop losses placed at proper invalidation points? Like, there's a lot to it. And just longing randomly without knowing why is concerning, to say the least. All right, Gala. I'm going to close the rest of Gala. I just don't like the look of it right now, and I have too many positions open. %. 0.7. That's the only reason why, though? Like, 9.1. You got to have some like legitimate reasons why, right? So like if you have a trade condition, cool, but like what's your invalidation for your trade? Do you have that? Do you know what it is? Because if not, like you're gambling. You're not trading, you're gambling. So I don't encourage gambling with trading. So you just gotta be really careful, man. Do what you want, but okay. Okay, so far we have not had the bullish reaction we want to see from band, but I want to let it play out longer. I think theta is also rejecting, isn't it? Yep, slightly. Not thrilled about this right here. Not thrilled about this look. Still holding up so far. Theta breakdown there. That'd be my breakdown sign. Okay, we're back at the golden pocket on waves. Let's start closing out some positions right now. I don't like this interaction. It doesn't look it's dangerous, I think. I just think it's dangerous, and I don't like the look of it right now. And that's basically where I'm at. I just want to de-risk right now on some of these. Band still looks fine. Waves still looks fine. What was the other one? Uniswap, I think, also looks fine. Let me verify. Yeah, it looks fine. Not great, but fine. Okay. Closed out the rest of Gala. It can't reclaim, or it isn't holding above. And profit is profit. It's not a great profit, but it's definitely profit. So I'm pretty happy with it, honestly. Okay. Yeah, of course you can. All right, theta is breaking down. Yeah, closing theta as well. Uni's breaking down. Okay. All right, theta's out. Uniswap, let me look at it. I'm going to go ahead and let my stop loss get triggered if it is. Waves does not look healthy. Band, I'm fine with that. Band looks fine. I don't have an issue with this. Okay, band looks fine still. Waves, I'm still okay with this. I know it's crazy to say. I'm still okay with this. Yeah, I think it still looks okay. Yep. Okay. Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, Uniswap has its stop loss already in place. I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna let it run to the stop loss. Waves, it's dropping further than I want it to, but I don't want to ignore the bullishness of this low time frame. Yeah, we're in the golden pocket right now for the BTC pairing. I'm going to go ahead and hold it open. And band, that's the big one right now. Band BTC. You are the big one. You're the big money right here. All right. Perfect. This is our trend. This is our level right here, right? As long as this is holding, I'm good. If we start dropping down below there, I'm really gonna be concerned. All right, closed out theta. I mean, you could definitely do it, dude. But like, you have to know what you're doing. Like, you have to study at the train. I would definitely paper trade first. Like, just going on here and trying to understand, like, all right, I'm going to take a trade here because of this reason, and then see how it plays out. But if you're just going to go on there and just gamble it, you might as well just go to the casino and throw it all in red, right? It's up to you, but like you're going to lose all your money if you don't know what you're doing. I'm telling you that right now. You will lose all your money if you don't know what you're doing. Period. There's not an if, ands, or buts about it. You will. All right, so Gala is no longer holding our trend line. I'm totally good with closing in on profit. Uniswap is probably going to get stopped out. Waves is starting to bounce a little bit. And of course, the big one right now is Band. Okay, Band, BTC, might be bouncing here. If we break above this trend line, I really hope it accelerates in a big way. I think there's a way you can actually paper trade like with the program, but realistically, the paper trade simple. Get out paper and pen and annotate. I'm entering a trade at this point, at this stop loss, and this risk to reward and this target. And then you annotate, this is my reason why. And then you let it play out and you see how it turned out, right? So, and you keep track of that, like you keep track of it like that over and over again until you figure out whether or not that works for you or not. But if you just go blind into this, you're going to get absolutely wrecked. Like I hope you guys are grasping the chaoticness of this, right? Like, I'm going between Bitcoin, I'm going between DXY, I'm going between Bitcoin dominance, I'm going between all these different coins, the Bitcoin pairing, the USD pairing, everything else. You want me to write? Yeah. Is that a problem? You can use an Excel sheet or something. I don't care how you do it, but the point is like you can't just go out there and just start trading unless you know what the hell you're doing. You're going to get wrecked. Okay. Right now, this is our consolidation right here, guys. So you can do higher time frame, right? I'm doing day trading. This is very chaotic. There's a lot of stuff going on here. You can do a higher time frame and just do swing trades as well, right? Or just do spot trading. Nothing wrong with that. Just buy at support, sell at resistance. So there's ways to do it. It's up to you. Did we clear this? I think we did. Let me check. We did. Okay, so we cleared that. So technically this is a sweep. That's pretty good. We want to see this accelerate though. This should pop the upside really soon. Oh, let's zoom out. Way too zoomed in right now. Yeah. Gala does not look very healthy right now. Dude, it's tough, man. Like dude, this has been 5 years of me learning how to trade. Like if you think you can do this without knowing what you're doing and try to be successful, you're going to get absolutely destroyed. Just like straight up with you. It took me 5 years to learn how to do this successfully. But ugh! If we break down from this, I'm going to go ahead and close my position on band as well. I'm up a lot right now today on this position, and I don't want to give it back to people, to traders. I want to keep my money. Well, let's think about this. No, I'm not going to. This doesn't have to play out just like this. The most important thing is right here. This has to play out. It was worth 5 years of work because I think it was. I mean, yeah, like you don't have to actually be putting money into your account to try to trade this, right? You could do this on paper. Learn how to trade. I have a Trading 101 series on YouTube. Have you watched it yet? Because like I think it's absolutely essential. Like if you're gonna try to learn how to do any trading, you have got to have the basics down, right? So on my channel, I have a Trading 101. It's really in depth. Right here, it's like 18, 20 videos. Yeah, 20 videos that goes how to trade. Watch all of that. It's like 10 hours of content at least. Yeah, about 10 hours of content. You watch all of that, you will start to grasp how insane this is. It'll give you a better understanding, I think. And that's going to be like the first start. Okay. Band BTC falling wedge on support. This should hold if bullish. Really surprised that a lot of these coins didn't actually pan out the way that I was hoping. So, okay. I'm going to get rid of this. It's just in the way at this point. Let me see if I can figure out any other levels. If we break above here, we should start accelerating upwards. That's my guess at least, or that's my bias. How's waves doing? Okay. Our stop's about to get hit pretty damn soon. Stop is at 7, 8. Yeah, we're literally right at our stop loss right now. So this is either going to break up like now, or we're going to get stopped out, which is fine by me. Okay, let's go back to ban. I'm watching on my KuCoin account as well. Okay, small little poke out here. This should accelerate us up. I'm not even joking. It should accelerate us. I'm going to give me a little bit more room on the stop loss here for waves. 7 point. The problem is, whenever I made this, I wasn't intending on the mark prices for these different things be so different. I hate adjusting this, man. 7 point. Okay, I made it a little bit looser. I'm now doing 7.78. It gives me a little extra space because, like right now on KuCoin, is trading at 781. On here on the futures chart, it's trading at 781. On the spot trades, it's trading at 784. So I'm trying to give myself this extra room so I don't get stopped out without being invalidated. I hate doing that, but I think it's necessary here. Okay. So we've broken out. So now we should accelerate. We should accelerate. We should accelerate. I want to see us accelerate. This needs to happen like immediately. See that? Pop the upside. Let's go. What's up? Melik. Yep. Okay, we've broken out. We should accelerate. We should accelerate. We should accelerate. This needs to be exploding up. Okay, there's our start. Start is happening. So now what I can do is I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up immediately. We're going to move our stop up to here. Okay, you guys see what's happening, right? This is exactly what we're expecting. 213.9 is what I'm going to have my stop at now for band. Okay, 213.9. Okay, even if I get stopped out, I'm still going to make really good money here, okay? I'm totally cool with this. 213.9, is that my play? Yes. Okay, it's in, it's done, it's over. Uniswap's still active. Are we still holding up well? Oh, shit, we are. Oh, no, we're not. It's trending down. We're about to get stopped out there. Whatever. All right, that sucks. Is what it is. Okay, back to band. Okay, so as we move up, it should go up here. And do you look at Bitcoin like the big daddy because almost all coin? Yes, you have to. You have to. Band should go up here. Should. Now, my only concern, okay, this is the biggest issue right here. Bitcoin breaking down. That is giving a lot of negative pressure on the market right now. All right. Uniswap's not stopped yet. It should be. Okay, waves. I'm going to go ahead and manually close it. Manually closing waves. I'm manually closing, not band, manually closing Uniswap. Okay, so we took some losses, which is fine. Okay, so Uniswap and Waves are both closed. Uniswap is closed in profit. Waves is closed at a slight loss. Band still active. Okay. Looks good. I'm cool with this. I'm cool. I like this. This is fine with me. I don't have an issue with this. Close positions. Yeah. All right, cool. So given everything, because our band trade has went so well, we're going to close our band trade well in profit. That's going to closed. Theta's closed. Everything's closed except for band. That's the only position I've open right now. I don't have the only, okay, if we're able to reclaim this level, I will jump back into waves. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. If we can do this, This will be my trigger to enter back into waves. Okay? If you can, this is basically what I did for ban. Breaking back into the falling wedge and back above it is very bullish. And I will jump back into waves. But right now, I'm closed it. It is closed. Okay, cool. Awesome. So if the alert on waves goes off, I'm going to go ahead. How much do I expect? This is my deal. All right. Give life to wrap. Your very, very, very first thing you need to learn, okay, if you are ever going to become a trader of any capacity, is this right here. This box and what this means. Okay? So important. Just because this box exists on the screen, you should not have to ask me any more questions. All right? Because it tells you what the target is, tells the stop loss, tells the risk reward. Everything's right there for you. Okay? Yeah, we're breaking down here. Good, good, good. You see how we're aggressively closing out positions when they go against us. Yeah, no worries, buddy. You see how do you see how I'm aggressively closing out positions? I'm anticipating. As soon as the market starts going against your position, you close it. I might enter into a short here. BI3. All right, that's fine. I'm watching this. I'm not diving in yet. I'm watching this, though. If we jump back into here, I'm going to dive back in on this one. Okay, so far, this is not the reaction I want. We want this to accelerate up, not down. What do you mean, bando volume? This is huge volume. Hey, Andres, this is huge volume. What are we talking about? Look at the volume. Okay, look at the volume profile. Increase volume on the increase, right? High volume on the increase. On the decrease, low volume. This is a textbook volume profile for an impulsive movement and a corrective structure into a support level. No, this is perfect. No, I'm not interested in shorting. The place to short is right here. Could I try to enter into a short position up here? Sure, this would make more sense, right? But the conditions would have to be something like this. I would need to see it come up here, sweep it, like that. This is what I'm looking for. That would be a short. Do we have that? No, of course not, right? It doesn't make sense. Now, if we lose this level, you might be able to short down here, but I don't know if I would. It'd be a little dangerous. Let's see. Yeah. We have not gotten back above our level. So waves looks like to be a fake out. Is what it is. Take a little bit of loss on that. That's fine. This is really the only chart I really care about. This and this. And yeah, the volume looks completely healthy for a continuation as of right now. Ugh. Mm. Give me 1 second, guys. I don't like open my messages on stream. You never know what the message is gonna say, and I don't want to put someone in that position. Strong buyback so far. It doesn't look horrible. Bitcoin doesn't. Yeah, guys, I've got to get a better, cleaner setup right now. We don't have a clean setup. And then DXY going parabolic is terrifying. Please use dark mode. I don't even know how to do it, man. This actually is pretty freaking bullish right now. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, waves, you're killing me. What is a 3? It said 3. I hate it. All right, I'll try it. I'll try it. I'm going to re-enter into waves just because we have this structure and it has not been invalidated yet. Man, I don't know. It's tough. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to enter back into waves. Stop loss is going to be, it's going to be tight, guys. I'm going to do it. I'm terrified of this trade, but it's right at invalidation. Okay, so if this is at 183, and I want this to be my stop, like right here, then that means that 79 should be 181. So 177. So yeah, 177 is my stop loss on here. Like guys, that's how freaking tight I'm going here. Stop loss 177. No, not 177. 777. Yeah. Okay, how's Band doing? Pushing up a little bit. Still screwing around, but it's trying, I think. It looks okay. I'm gonna go ahead. This is a good clean stop loss. I'm gonna let it sit. So waves. You guys see why, right? We have a clear falling wedge right here. We're a little bit lower than I want to see, but we do have high volume impulse. Let's go to lower time frame. Yeah, high volume impulse, lower volume corrective structure. This looks pretty good. Oh shit, my bad. I guess I got to go on this one. It's not change over for everything, just that one. Oh, I hate this. But I'll do it though. I'll do it just for you, DeFi world. Just for you. I cannot tell you enough how much I hate this though, but I'm doing it for you. All right, well, I guess this is what it's going to look like then. I don't know. It's weird. Oh, all right, I'm going to get used to this. Just give me some time, guys. I think this looks horrible to me, but I'll work on it. 184.16. Uh, 1198. Okay. Well, can't get much closer to invalidation than where we're at right now. See what I mean? We drop any lower, invalidated. So this is perfect. This is like the spot where we need to pump up or it's not happening. And Band is essentially in the same sort of situation. We can see how we're right there. This is a B, C. Yeah, A, B, C. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I guess so. It's not a very clear one. Nah, it's fine. I'm going to do it for you, buddy. Don't worry about it. I'm an expert. I got this. Okay, so it looks like we're retesting. Super low time frame, but we looks like we're retesting. So we'll see what happens here. Oh, nice. Love them. Did I miss anything? I'll scroll Twitter during these to see if there's anything going on crypto Twitter. Mostly it's just garbage, but whatever. No. Explosive moves soon. I mean, yeah, I agree. What direction though? That's the big question mark. Okay, starting to lose this a little bit. I will let this go to invalidation point. And Band like really tight stop loss, so. Ugh. We're just waiting, guys. There's not really much going on. I will say right now, though, I do not like this. We broke out, and now we're just like chilling. I'm not a big fan of that. This is the Bitcoin pairing too. That means that you can't you can't blame this on Bitcoin dragging the market down. Yeah, waves is right on invalidation. Let's go here as well. Like all my indicators are gone. What? Market. Close position, market. How do I sell my long immediately? Close position, market. What exchange is better by fees? Rate KuCoin or Bybit to trade with like $1,000? I don't know, man. I'm not sure. I know what I'm comfortable with, and that's what I use. I don't really care about the fees necessarily. Okay, looks like we're breaking down a little bit. I'm gonna move my stop loss back just a bit, just so I don't get invalidated here, because technically 213.19. Mm. I'm watching it very closely here. Okay, so now we've actually touched this 5-minute breaker. You guys see that? We've actually tapped the 5-minute on both Bitcoin and USD. You guys see that, right? Okay. So now we should accelerate up from here. Bitcoin's dropping. I'm going to close out some. Close out more. Okay, I closed out a majority of my position. There you go, man. Uh, here. Oh, wait, where the fuck is it? I made my stop loss maybe different than yours. I made my stop loss at on KuCoin for futures. My stop loss is at 7.77. Okay, let's see if band accelerates up. I closed out partial of my so far because it's dropping a little further than I want it to. Technically, it's still healthy. I don't like the Bitcoin pairing, but the USD still looks fairly healthy. How's the BTC pairing doing? Not great. Yeah, Bitcoin's really falling. That's why looks like the rest of the market is following as well. Band or Waves is actually holding up pretty well, and it's starting to push up just a bit. I think we're okay. Okay. I closed out partial on band. Not all of it. I closed out partial. Basically, I was waiting for the reaction to happen right there. And we got a decent reaction on both pairings, actually. Okay. We're getting a pretty good bounce. This is the golden pocket right here. Let's get rid of this. Ugh. We're just right here, y'all. It's crazy. How are you guys holding up? You guys having fun yet? Strong bullish hammer there. I do like that candle on the 5-minute. Let's go to the 15. 15 looks solid too. I mean, oh. What is this line? Oh, shut up a bitch. This is actually the key level to look for. I'm actually pretty bullish right now. I'm going to add a little bit more extra. I'm adding extra wave or band here, buying a little bit more back. Okay, so this is the key level we want to see hold. So as long as that's holding, I'm really not that bearish here. So that's why I want to be cautious here on dumping everything by any means. All right, what was the low? Let's look at what the low was. BTC struggled a little bit. Okay, band is actually pushing up again. Slightly. Ever so slightly. The BTC pairing is holding up really well now. It's a strong bounce so far. Looks like a solid retest. Yep, I agree. What are we thinking, y'all? BTC pairing is holding up really well so far, which is why I'm really not too interested in selling right now. This is a key level of support on both pairings. Oh. It's definitely breaking down though. Bitcoin is. So now the big question is this able to hold this 5-minute breaker? And I don't know the answer yet. This is still a support though. Hate to say it, but honestly, the support goes all the way down here to the golden pocket. I think I'd be okay with one more dip down, a little lower. Whoa, Waves is pushing up. Oh shit. Cool. It's actually really funny. Okay, so Bitcoin, if it can find support, this is a really, 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 really good opportunity right here. See how Waves is pushing up? I re-entered that position. So far, so good. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a little bit more band if we come right down here. So obviously my stop losses are all fucked right now. And I know I don't like that at all. But at the same time, though, I'm watching the whole market like together. And this is a major support level. And it bounced off of the major support level. So I'm really hesitant to selling right there. Furthermore, the golden pocket is less than 1% away. Okay, Bitcoin's dropping more aggressively now. Waves is still holding up really well. Band is also holding up really well. Let me do this. I'm going to pull up the Waves BTC chart. Over here. Okay. Waves BTC. You guys can see how it's curving. It's really healthy looking. Band BTC is holding up. Waves or Band BTC or Band USD is holding up pretty well. I think I'm still pretty confident here. Realistically, guys, this entire green block is support, and I really don't want to sell here. And it is holding up. The Waves is holding up the BTC pairing, the USD pairing. Bitcoin pairing on here is also holding up fairly well. We can see the structure here. We are at this major support now. I'm pretty freaking confident right now. I'm pretty confident that we're going to be able to hold. This is a really strong movement, really strong structure. And honestly, if you're doing a measured move, this looks to be about where the measured move stops on that movement. You guys see that? We're at the 618 at the golden pocket right now for that movement. So this is essentially where that movement should stop on Bitcoin. Okay, a little bit of a breakdown here. I don't want to see this drop down. I want to see it drop back up. Okay, this looks pretty decent. See this little pop right here? This is where we need it to pop from this region. So like we're at the level it should be popping. We're right there. There you go. Looks good so far. Okay. Okay, you guys see that round? That's perfect. Okay. The roundingness here is what we're looking for. I like this. I want to see it. It should accelerate like this. But like it's a good start, but it should be accelerating quite rapidly. We haven't got there yet, but this is the level that it should be doing it from. And I do want it to be impulsive. Okay, we're popping up just a little bit. Okay, Bitcoin still just screwing around right now. This is still support level until it fails. So I'm not assuming a breakdown's happening. Ugh. Slowing down. Yeah, we're definitely under the golden pocket on the BTC pairing on waves, or we fell beneath it. We may be recovering it, but we fell beneath it, which is a show of weakness. Um, this looks good. I do like this movement up. I don't like this, and I don't like this. I want to see it more aggressive, and it's just not doing it, guys. I want it to be more aggressive than this, and we're just not getting that impulsiveness that I was looking for, especially on waves. $17.6. Bitcoin's still struggling at this level. This is still a major support level until it's broken. Like I don't want to make an assumption it's going to fall through until it does, right? Because this entire region is a 4-hour level, 4-hour right there, and also an hourly, I believe. I don't know what that was, but either way, we have 4-hour level right here, and I don't want to make an assumption it's going to fall through until it does, right? Like that just makes sense. And this is the level that you would expect to hold if we are bullish. So this is the level band should be holding right now. Let's see. Anything else going on? Still support. Still holding up. We're bouncing a little bit. Let's see. What else? What else? What else? Waves is starting to push up just a bit. So looks fairly decent. Um, there's that little way down there. I don't really want to revisit there. It's too far down. This is the key level. I just don't want to go any further. This should be it. How confident am I here? How's DXY? Let's drop it a little bit. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Okay. Cool. There we go. Starting to get the push up, guys, a little bit. Oh man. Okay. It's a good start. Decent volume too. Let's go to the lower time frames. This is the level that should hold. Like, this is it. I'm not liking this yet, though. Like, this should accelerate, and it's not. Maybe that? Oh, got it. Private message. A sec. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close out waves. I don't like having this big position open, and I'm not as confident. Okay. I just closed out all the waves. I don't like it, guys. I just don't like it. So I closed out waves and a slight loss. I think it's probably profit. Let me check. Slight loss. I closed it at a slight loss, which, okay, whatever. Band. It should accelerate from here, guys. This should be the acceleration. What the fuck is going on? Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and place my stop at 215. Let's see. What is that on KuCoin? At 215.6. That's what I'm going to set that. 215.6. Okay, that'll be, even if this gets stopped out, I'll still be way in profit for the day, so I'm totally cool with that. And DXY just keeps popping up. God, that's just terrifying, guys. And 295.6. That's my targets. I think it makes a ton of sense. It's scary, but this is it, guys. Like I'm a little bit concerned on it going any further down. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let it sit. So 215.6 on KuCoin, and it's gonna be, my target is gonna be way the fuck up there. Oh my god, another spammer? Seriously, guys? These spammers were in here yesterday. Please don't buy this garbage crap that he's suggesting. Just please don't. If someone goes to a YouTube channel and says anything, then like, hey, buy this. If they're that desperate to come onto a YouTube channel and do that, you probably don't want to buy it, right? That would make sense to me. It looks like consolidation of some sort. Like it looks like it's rounding. It looks like it's going to break out to the upside, but you know we don't know. So all we can do is have our positions in place. I think I'm pretty content with where our stops are at. What is that? 215.6. $295.6. Yep. Oh my god, go away, y'all. Holy shit. That's funny. Trader SZ is funny as hell. It's like there are coins that are not following the same patterns as other coins, right? Like you're gonna have deviations from here. And that's why like I'm really okay, where are we at here? It's golden pocket. Mm. Shit. Do I want to buy this? It's a golden pocket. I do. I'm gonna buy it. Wow. I'm buying from here down to 159. I see golden pocket. I buy golden pocket. That's my rule. I'm pretty consistent on that rule. I like golden pocket retracements. They're like my thing. So when I see them, I buy them. So it's really the thought process here. Volume profile looks sexy. Okay, band's pushing up a little bit. Guys, I'm barely, I don't know. This is going to be a stop. So enter here. Stop of here. What else we got? I'm going to sell the golden. I'm going to sell the 4-hour 200 moving average. Let's go lower time frame. Yep, there we go. That's my play. 179.8. Stop loss is at 159. What is this trading at? This is trading at 161. This is at, or wait, 1615. Oh, waves reclaim. Okay, I don't care about that. Wait, do I? Oh, are you kidding me? Okay. I think I have a pretty good I think I have a pretty good play here. There, there, and then target way up higher. I think it's a pretty solid play. I'm going to go ahead and take it again. Da, 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 da. Do what? What am I looking at, buddy? Look, this looks impulsive now. Are you fucking kidding me? That's crazy. I love how that works. It's all right. I own a little bit of waves now. Nothing crazy, but enough. So, again, my stop loss is at 7.80. Oh, wait, wrong one. 7.80. And my target, like before, is way the fuck up here. $11.97. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with that. API 3 is also going up. Is it? Yeah, looks like it. Golden pocket retracement, buddy. I want there. That's all I'm targeting. What are you? Okay, what are you talking about, Bevi? Where's this at? I don't know what you're talking about. So, band is almost stopped out. 215.6. Yeah, I'm almost stopped out on band. That being said, I'm also this is the area where you should find support at. So I'm okay if it drops any lower, I'm done. I made a shit ton of money off band today, so like I'm very content. Would have made more obviously if this worked out differently, but that's fine. Completely okay. All right, you posted it. Oh wait, no, this is it. What the fuck? Um. Okay. Huh. Interesting. I don't really know what to make of it honestly, but getting back above it would be very bullish, but obviously if we get below it, then that's very bearish. So I don't know. Either way, I'm about to get stopped out, I think. So very close. So we recover it very quickly, or I'm getting stopped out. So, um, well, obviously I want to get above it. It'd be really, really cool. But it also needs to happen very quickly because I'm almost stopped. This is like the level. Yep, Wave's doing good so far. And like this one has a lot of potential. That's why my target's so high on there. I'm pretty confident if we do start pushing up, it's going to go high. So API 3 is looking fairly decent too. Oh, TP for waves? Bro, it's way up there. Oh, shit. 1198. It's the 3-day breaker. Yep, 3-day breaker on that one. What is going on? Oh, so that try got it. I am right here at stop loss. Like it's just hovering right above me. Reclaiming this, I guess I'll have a lot more confidence. You know what I mean? I didn't even see this is actually a level. I'm glad you brought that up, though. But we are currently beneath it, which is bearish. My stop loss is really close. I'm okay with where it's at. But yeah. STP for waves. Are you part of the Discord? You guys should be. Like, there's tremendous potential here. That's what I was looking at. We're at the golden pocket retracement level, and that's why like I don't want to be bearish right now. Like this is the level where a lot of these longs should be taken off. Incredible, yeah. Ugh. Ban. You're right here, you son of a bitch. You're just right here. Like, just pop the upside. So this is the reason why I'm not targeting higher on API 3, right? So you have the 4-hour 200 moving average. So my stop or my target is the 4-hour 200. That is my target. I don't want to go any higher right now. Now, if we can reclaim it, then things can change. But until then, I don't want to adjust it. About to get stopped. About to get stopped. On band. About to get stopped. So close. Still holding up. I'm right there just waiting for my stop loss to get hit. Wait, there it is. All right. Okay, very happy with my band play. Very happy with this. I'll take that and walk away. Waves. Ooh, that's a disgusting rejection. Oh wow, what is my stop on here? 7, 8. So if we can recover that trend line, I'll be interested in getting back into ban though. I will. The trade's still valid. I want to secure my profits. That's the big thing right now. All right. Alert set on that. How many years have I been trading for? About 5 years. So like the last 2-3 years, I guess, has been mostly like spot trading. So it's more of like holding and just market analysis. So it's different. So if you want to consider that trading, you can. I haven't done this in quite a while, but I've definitely been doing market updates and all that crap and following everything. So I don't know. It's the same basic thing. Um, oh, that was a good play on ban though. Really happy with the way that turned out. Could have been better, but you know, I'm okay with what I got. Futures. I only do crypto futures. Crypto futures and spot trading. That's all I do. Mm, do. Yep. I don't know, guys. Sort of just waiting at this point. I don't see too much opportunity in the market right now. Or let me rephrase this. Not too many clean setups. Especially for longs. I don't know what's going on today, but it started off really, really good for longs, and now it's just like, meh. Oh my gosh, shut the hell up. No one cares about your garbage ass NFT. And I know it's garbage because you come on here and spam my channel constantly about it. All right, I am going to get off. I got to get some chores done around the house and yeah, so I'm going to get some stuff done. But I will see you guys soon. I hope this was a good stream and all that stuff, but I am going to go ahead and get off for a while. But yeah. All right. Have a good one, guys. Have a good one. And I will see you guys in the next one. Like always, deuces, boys. I'm out.